Take command of the road in the 2014 Ram 2500. This four-door, six-passenger truck offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.